Hello, friends. Welcome to the session of Talk with Toppers. And we have Manasvini Sharma with us today from Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. And she has scored 113 marks in 5 years law CET. So, Manasvini, congratulations and welcome to this show.
Thank you, sir.
So, how do you feel, Manasvini, now?
I was happy, but I was a bit disappointed because right now I was hoping to touch 120 at least.
Okay.
But that's all right. My hard work paid off, so I'm happy.
Okay. And how was the reaction of your family when they heard about your score?
They were very, very happy. They told me that I should be happy that I scored at least 113. So they encouraged me a lot, and they were pretty happy.
Anybody from law background in your family?
No, I think I'll be a first generation lawyer.
You will very great. That's great. Chalo, बहुत बढ़िया. And Manasvini, how did you prepare for 5 years law CT?
For the past 2 years, I had actually prepared for CLAT. So I had a basic understanding of, some legal subjects like crime, torts, and all. So for me,
Great.
it was a bit of a revision. Maths also the same thing. Just the paper pattern was a bit different. So I had to get familiar with it. But rest in all, it was just more of a revision.
That's great. That's great. So, and how did the EduCARE team help you out to get the score?
So it was actually suggested to me that I should join EduCARE because the preparation that we did, it was much more the exam based rather than focusing on things which were not very relevant to us. Yes, at first I thought कि ना थोड़ा सा easy है, मतलब paper में ऐसे थोड़ी पूछेंगे. But I actually saw some of the questions which were given in our mocks or we had studied it in the class. So I thought I felt very reassured during the paper कि हाँ ठीक है अच्छा जा रहा है, sort of that way.
Great. Fine. So, were the mock tests and everything helpful for you?
Oh yeah, very, very helpful. Sometimes it was a bit demotivating, but it was कि अच्छा हाँ मतलब when you see the actual paper, you'll realize कि yeah, what you've prepared is actually correct. And the mocks were very, very similar to like the actual paper that we gave. So
Great. Chalo, बढ़िया. And finally, uh, what would you like to convey to the upcoming law aspirants?
So
What
one
message?
thing I would say is that you have to be very consistent in your preparation because GK is one of the subjects where you have to, have touch. मतलब एक दिन में ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत सारा हो जाएगा.
Right,
So you
right,
have
right.
to have that sort of preparation and just stay in like touch with all the subjects. That will be very, very helpful. The other thing would be that giving mocks is actually a very good thing. मतलब even if preparation nahi hua hai, just start giving some of the mocks. Yes, you'll be a bit demotivated, you'll get exhausted, but it's okay. You have to do it, if you want to achieve things. So
Right, right. That's great. Great. Nice talking to you, Manaswini. And
thank you.
wish you all the best for all your future endeavors from the entire Be Educare team and myself.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So should I leave?